Hello, welcome back. Today we are playing Minecraft again. I am a Minecraft YouTuber now. Even though I don't officially own Minecraft. Anyways, how to do this again? Alright, I died in the last episode. And I'm too lazy to get another one. So, let's play the game. And every episode I will make a copy world. So that I don't reset. I hate it whenever it resets. Okay. And yeah. Multiplier, yes. 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 Anyways, let's go. My goal in this is to have somebody join my world. And also I already tried Roblox which failed. So I think I'm doing a new one. Pick a game in the comments, please. Please. Oh, what the hell? Nah, this is a horrible spawn. What the hell? Well, now I'm a birch tree guy. Well, I'm screwed. I have enough food to last me a long time. And I'm keeping a cactus for souvenirs. I wonder where can I go? Eh, I'm calling it the Middle East. The Middle East. The Middle East. The Middle East. Yeah, Middle East. Okay, I got some soil. There's soil. Good. Yeah. I just need to follow this. I wonder where I'll find the sheep. Do sheep even spawn this way? Well, I need those achievements for the gamer points. Don't know what they do. But anyways, my loyalty is to Microsoft. Who was that? I already tried it in my first world. When I killed it, nothing happened. There were no soil, nothing. Nothing I can use. So yeah, I'm gonna follow this water. Hopefully it gets me to somewhere with, you know, soil. I need to do this quickly since I really do not want to die here. I'm basically a wandering trader. Where's the... Oh shit. I'm not crossing there. I need sheep. need sheep. Well, I'm screwed. Minecraft just screwed me over with the generation. Great, gold. I don't need gold. I need is soil. I want to get out of here. All I need is to get out. Where can I find sheep? I hope I find a desert village out here. Hey, I gotta run. Because if I don't do this, I might die. Like, really. I don't have anything. I died to a basic zombie. How will I defend myself when I have no armor and nothing to my name? Wait, a well. There's a well. That means there's a village nearby, right? And if I feel hungry, I already have food. Nothing. Ooh, temple. No shot I actually find diamonds before... No shot I actually find diamonds before actual sheep. No way, no shot. But I'm gonna risk it. Still, there's no way I actually find diamonds. Was that Herobrine? Yeah, I'm scared out of my mind. I'm not immediately dropping down there. I must be very careful. I wonder if you can get actual wood here. Like, can I get wool? Like, I can get string. Let's see, nothing. Nothing useful, great. Oh wait, I have... Can it get... Fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna destroy this. Gonna need all that later. Let's see. Nothing. Damn, I find something overpowered. For nothing. I don't need emeralds. Well, I'm screwed. What else? What else? What the hell is this? This was worthless. Yeah, it was useless. Oh wait, I got string. Yeah. One piece of wool. Perfect. That's all I need. I need string. If not, I'm gonna board up this entire place. Well, I'm screwed. I need... That's the thing. Well, I'm screwed. All I have is cocoa beans. I have food, yes, but why do I need food if I'm just gonna die? Right? So yeah, back to being a wandering trader. Oh no. Well, ay, ay, ay. I need a place to stay. So, time to go there and board up everything. Well, I'm screwed. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. This was very useful. Well, I think the only thing useful here is the this. Well, what do I do now? I'm stuck in the Middle East with nothing. And I'm scared that this might get... Can I get, like... Ay, ay, ay. Well, I'm screwed. I'm royally screwed. They just destroyed all my chances of surviving. Thanks a lot, Minecraft. What's that? This place is worthless. And I'm supposed to stay here until I can survive out there? No shot, I'm dead. I'm so dead. I can salvage it. Shit. Shite. Yeah, I give up. I give up.